In this video we're gonna be creating that dope scene change. Extremely easy and fast, so without further ado I'm gonna take you straight to After Effects. Alright guys, so first I'm gonna show you the comp settings, 1920 by 1080, I'm gonna hit OK. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is head over here, I'm gonna right click, go to new, solid, and we're gonna pick a black color. I'm gonna rename it to black BG, hit enter, then we need another solid, so I'm just gonna quickly do that. And we're just gonna rename it to white BG, and we also need to change the color. All right, let's hit OK. We're just gonna move it over here, and the first text is gonna be after. I'm gonna change the color to white. We're just gonna pick a different font style, and also I'm gonna turn it into caps. Let's recenter. I'm gonna probably decrease the font size a bit. All right, perfect. Now I'm gonna duplicate the text. We're gonna type in FX, and we're also gonna change the color for this one. So the first text is gonna be white, the second one is gonna be black. Then I'm gonna bring that white background over here, and what we want to do with that background is basically create a mask path. So for this, I'm just gonna head over here, and then I'm gonna grab the star tool. We're just gonna create a triangle in such position. I'm gonna make sure to click the mask. I'm gonna hit Ctrl T, and we're just gonna put it somewhere here. Then what I'm gonna do is open up properties, keyframe mask path, move it to the beginning. And again, I'm gonna select the mask and I'm gonna hit Ctrl T, or you can just double click the mask, and we're just gonna move it over here. Then I'm also gonna hold Ctrl plus Shift, and I'm gonna grab it here and just do it like that. All right, something like that should do. So basically we're just gonna have white color pass by. All right, so that's how it's looking on the full screen. And the next thing we want to do is basically add turbulent displays, and this will do the whole job. So just look at that. So this is looking so good, but we actually need to extend the mask a bit. So all you need to do is head over to the second keyframe. I'm gonna hit Ctrl T, and I'm just gonna again hold Ctrl Shift, and we're just gonna extend the mask. So this is giving us such an amazing effect with that wavy look. I'm just gonna extend the keyframe, then I'm gonna select them both, and I'm gonna hit F9. All right, let's put it maybe somewhere here. I'm also gonna move the effects to the very beginning, and we're gonna duplicate the white background. I'm gonna rename to white background cover. And all we need to do is head over to the modes, and I'm gonna go to track matte in our effects, and I'm gonna change it to white background cover. So that way whenever it's gonna be passing by, it's gonna reveal our second text. Just look at that. And by the way, if you wanted to play around with the settings a bit in the turbulent displays, then you should do it before you created the cover. And then as for the text, you would just attach it to the new cover. I honestly really like it. It's a perfect way to transition between scenes. And if you start incorporating this particular technique into 3D editing, then you're cooking. Alright, so that'll be it for this short episode. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. And without further ado, I'm gonna wrap it up here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers guys. I'm pointing that finger stronger every single time.